Care. Noun. Close attention, concern, responsibility. Care should be taken when holding babies. Care. Noun. Worry. I don't have a care in the world. Care. Noun. Maintenance, upkeep. Dental care. Care. Noun. The treatment of those in need, especially as a profession. Care. Noun. The state of being cared for by others. Care. Noun. The object of watchful attention or anxiety. Care. Verb. To be concerned about, have an interest in. I don't care what you think. Care. Verb. To look after. Young children can learn to care for a pet. Care. Verb. To be mindful of. Care. Verb. Polite or formal way to say want. Would you care for another slice of cake? Would you care to dance? Reference. Please support us with your subscription.